In his article written February 12, 2025, Vijay Mauly highlights the importance of understanding the human mind for businesses and developers looking to create engaging websites and apps. Psychology, the study of the mind and behavior, offers a roadmap for those in the world of web and app design. Think about the last time you visited a website that just felt right. It was easy to find what you were looking for, the design was pleasing to the eye, and you probably ended up spending more time there than you planned. That's the power of psychology in action. When users land on a website, they're forming an opinion, often within seconds. How a website or app looks and feels can make the difference between someone sticking around or bouncing back to Google. This is where the psychology of design comes into play. Psychologists have studied how colors, layout, and even fonts can influence our emotions and behaviors. A cluttered website with clashing colors might make visitors feel anxious, while a clean design with a soothing color scheme can have the opposite effect. But it's not just about first impressions. Psychology can also help explain why people keep coming back to certain websites and apps. There's a whole field of psychology dedicated to habits and motivation. By understanding how these work, developers can create features that keep users engaged over the long term. Finally, let's talk about the psychology of decision making. When people are faced with lots of options, it can be paralyzing. They might end up not choosing anything at all. This is something businesses and developers need to keep in mind when designing websites and apps. Sometimes, offering fewer choices can actually lead to more sales and better user experiences. So, what does this all mean? Well, for starters, it means that the most successful websites and apps aren't just about technology. They're also about understanding what makes people tick. By using psychology, developers and businesses can create digital experiences that people love. To stay up to date on the latest in web and app design and psychology, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also follow us on WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram for more tips and insights.